how we did it. Had to relocate Uni from bracket to ground, with new concrete pads, new supply and return flex. Started by cleaning and leveling the area for the pads, before sitting the Uni in place. New sheet metal base before connecting flex. Flex is now connected securely and mastic and sealed like it should be. Then it's time to start the metal work up the wall. This is no normal doghouse, it's a phenomenal doghouse. Come watch and enjoy the show. Tell me what you think of it. I'm here to listen. Thanks for watching.